Hey everyone, if you see all of these little tiny specks, that's what I call sandblasted, and they're actually rock chips. And you know, over time they can kind of show up underneath the film, which will make the PPF work look worse than it will be otherwise. But you know, at least if you get PPF, you know, it's going to stop this going forward. But this is especially more noticeable on darker colored vehicles. And this car only has 6,000 miles on it, so you can kind of see how quickly you can get sandblasted.